Hi. Welcome to TestPrep training. Today we will discuss how to pass Technology Literacy for Educators 62 to 193 exam, Technology Literacy for Educators 62 to 193 exam. MCE Technology Literacy for Educators 62 to 193 exam is an intermediate level exam. Moreover, this exam is intended to measure abilities by the 21st century learning design framework. Above all, Microsoft has taken its certifications to a different level. However, this has provided many individuals a path and confidence to become an expert in their field. Technology Literacy for Educator Certification Exam is the key to achieve Microsoft Certified Educator Certification. Is Microsoft certification useful? Firstly, the important thing about Microsoft is that it provides a lot of different certification according to the individual's needs. Above all, it provides you valuable certificate after passing any certification exam. Secondly, it will provide more value to your resume, or for job hiring. Most importantly, this certification will work as experience for you during the hiring process. Above all, people from the IT field who want to earn professional level certification always consider Microsoft as their first priority. MCE 62 to 193 exam structure is given in the table below. Skills measured in Technology Literacy for Educators 62 to 193 exam. Facilitate student collaboration. In this you learn to analyze, evaluate, design, and manage the learning environment to facilitate student collaboration. Moreover, it includes determining the level to which a learning activity meets the rubric for collaboration. Facilitate skilled communication. Firstly, in this you will learn about modifying activity to meet the rubric for the highest level of skilled communication. After that, evaluating student product examples to determine the level to which they meet the skilled communication rubric. Facilitate knowledge construction. In this you will determine the level to which a learning activity meets the knowledge construction rubric. After that, it includes transforming a didactic learning situation into an activity. Further, it requires students to apply knowledge in a new context that facilitates interdisciplinary learning. Facilitate self-regulation. Firstly, determining the level to which a learning activity meets the rubric for self-regulation. Lastly, determining which opportunities facilitate an environment of self-regulation. Facilitate real-world problem-solving and innovation. In this you will determine the level to which a learning activity meets the rubric for real-world problem-solving. Secondly, selecting a strategy to encourage students to problem-solve, innovate, and apply a solution that benefits others in the real world. Facilitating student use of information and communication tools. Firstly, determining the level to which a learning activity meets the rubric for use of ICT learning. Moreover, it includes fulfilling student learning outcomes by using Microsoft technology tools. Use ICT to be an effective educator. Firstly, determining which ICT resource supports a specified educational outcome. Then, you will determine the appropriate pedagogical approach to meet an educational outcome using ICT resources. Exam scoring. You will also receive a detailed exam report after a few days. However, this score report contains the details of how you performed in the exam. Moreover, in this exam you will be given 60 minutes to do 40 questions. Above all, you will receive notification of your pass or fail status within a few minutes of completing your exam. Exam format. The types of questions that appear on the exam will vary, but may include one or more of the following. First, multiple choice. Second, multiple choice. Third, best answer. Fourth, extended matching. Fifth, hot area. Sixth, drag and drop. Seventh, build list and reorder. Eighth, simulations. Ninth, short answer. Exam scheduling. Microsoft's scheduling process is not that hectic. To know this, please check the below steps. Firstly, go on the Microsoft portal and register yourself. After that, schedule your exam by clicking on the Schedule Exam link. On the next page, you will be asked to fill all your details. Then there you can select the exam delivery option on the page of Pearson VUE. Lastly, you will need to pay the exam fees, and your registration will be completed. Abilities and skills. This means how good learning and understanding skills you can create. Moreover, you need to focus on things and clearly understand the points. Side by side, you can also join online programs. But the most important thing you need to get in your mind is that In the end, self-study is all that matters. Moreover, you have to check on every updates related to exam. Last words. Technology for Literacy Educators, 62 to 193. This exam will validate your abilities global educator technology literacy skills. Moreover, this will not only help you understand the concepts, but also improve your skills. After that, nothing can stop you from passing this exam unless it's you. For more such videos, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Also visit our website,